chill runs down your spine as you glance at your bank statement. This is just a routine check. It could signal a potential disaster. Many people don't realize how their payment history might be quietly sabotaging their financial future. Those late fees and missed deadlines are just the tip of the iceberg, hiding deeper, insidious risks that could cost you dearly. Picture this: you're ready to apply for a loan, convinced everything is in order. Then, a glaring mistake in your payment history surfaces, leaving you stunned. How did I miss that? This isn't merely an inconvenience, it's a critical warning sign. Many overlook subtle indicators, seemingly harmless late payments that accumulate over time. Each missed payment erodes your financial credibility, creating tiny fractures in your ancestry foundation. Now imagine you've worked tirelessly and saved diligently, yet your dream of homeownership feels just out of reach. Why? Because those late payments linger like ominous shadows, threatening your financial aspirations. This is just about numbers, it's about how you perceive your financial worth. A poor payment history can trap you in a cycle of anxiety, undermining your confidence and skewing your money mindset. But it doesn't have to end this way. What if recognizing these payment history warning signs could be your first step toward reclaiming control? Start by scrutinizing your payment habits. What small behaviors are you ignoring? Are due dates slipping by unnoticed, like grains of sand through your fingers? Even the most responsible individuals can falter. One late payment can spiral into another, trapping you in a cycle of financial despair. It's time to confront these habits head-on. Acknowledging the problem may feel daunting, but it is the first step to empowerment. Shift from a reactive to a proactive mindset. Imagine the relief of knowing your financial history is a source of strength. So, what's the crucial takeaway? Your payment history is just a record, it's a mirror reflecting your financial health and mindset. Each entry tells a story. Make sure it's one that empowers you. Take a moment to reflect on your habits. What can you change today to foster a healthier money mindset for tomorrow? Your financial future hangs in the balance. Have you ever thought about how your payment history shapes your financial future? Many people overlook it, but ignoring it can cost you more than you think. Imagine you're applying for a loan. Your income looks solid, but when the lender checks your payment history, they hesitate. You might feel confused, unaware of the ticking time bomb in your finances. A lot of folks believe only big expenses matter. But what if I told you that missed payments on smaller bills can haunt you? Those little issues can seriously hurt your credit score. Let's consider a friend of yours, Sarah. She always pays her rent on time but often neglects her credit card bills. As a result, her credit score plummets and suddenly her dream of owning a home feels out of reach. You might think, that won't happen to me, but don't be so sure. Your payment history is just numbers, it reflects your money mindset. Ignoring those small slips sends a message that they don't matter. But do they? Picture this: you're at a car dealership. Then the finance manager pulls up your report, and your heart sinks as you see those unpaid balances dragging you down. The deal you thought was a sure thing. It vanishes in an instant. Now let's talk about those hidden dangers. Every late payment is just a missed deadline. It's a setback from your financial goals. You might think you're being clever by delaying payments, but in reality, you're sabotaging your future. And here's the kicker: it's not just about the money. It's also the anxiety that creeps in when you realize you've let things slide. That constant worry can affect every decision you make, leading you to avoid financial conversations, which only makes matters worse. So what can you do? Start by tracking your payments. It may sound simple, but awareness is key. Even small changes like setting reminders can shift your mindset and help you regain control. Take a moment to reflect: what story does your payment history tell? Is it one of responsibility or chaos? Your financial future is being shaped right now. Don't wait for the alarm bells to ring. As you move forward, ask yourself, are you ready to take charge of your payment history before it's too late? Your wallet and your peace of mind depend on it. Have you ever thought about what your payment history really says about you? It's more than just numbers, it's a window into your financial future. Ignoring it could cost you more than you think. Many people overlook their payment history, believing it won't affect their daily lives. But here's the truth: your payment history is quietly shaping your money mindset, often without you realizing it. Ignoring it could lead to consequences beyond just a low credit score. Imagine this: you're at the car dealership, excited to drive off in your dream car. You fill out the paperwork, only to discover that your credit history is holding you back. That thrilling moment quickly turns into disappointment. What went wrong? It's all in the details of your payment history. You might say, "I've always paid my bills on time." But what about those small late payments? They may seem insignificant, yet they linger like shadows, impacting your financial choices. Each one chips away at your credibility, leaving doubt in its wake. Now, picture this: you're ready to buy your first home. You've saved diligently, but when the lender checks your payment history, they see red flags. Suddenly, your dreams of homeownership flicker like a candle in the wind. It's not just about numbers, it's about trust. The stakes are higher than you think. A poor payment history can lead to higher interest rates or even loan denial. Can you imagine losing your dream home or car because of a few missed payments? It's a nightmare many face. But what if I told you there's a way to change this narrative? It starts with recognizing the importance of your payment history. Each payment is a chapter in your story. Make sure they reflect responsibility. Before you dismiss this as unimportant, take a moment to reflect.